In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Slack AI chatbot with a custom PDF in 15 minutes using n8n Part 2. In this part, we're moving beyond simple text handling and building the core of a retrieval augmented generation workflow, also known as RAG. The goal is to let your bot answer questions based on the contents of your own PDF instead of relying only on general model knowledge. To do that, we'll first create a document ingestion pipeline, and then we'll set up a live Slack response flow that can use that index knowledge in real time. We'll begin by loading the PDF into n8n. On your editor canvas, click Add First Step and choose the Read Binary File node. In the File Path field, enter the full path to the PDF you want to use as your knowledge source. This tells n8n exactly where to find the file so it can be processed. Next, add the central AI component. Click the plus icon after the file reader and search for either the AI agent node or the advanced AI retrieval QA chain node. This will act as the main coordination point for the workflow and eventually connect your document processing and question answering logic. Now it's time to wire in the supporting pieces that make the knowledge base usable. First, connect a default document loader to the binary file output. Under that, add a character text splitter. Set the chunk size to 500 and the chunk overlay to 50. This is important because large documents need to be broken into smaller sections before they can be embedded effectively. The overlap also helps preserve context between chunks. From the embeddings input, attach an OpenAI embeddings node. Add your credentials securely in n8n and choose the model text embedding 3 small. This node converts each text chunk into a mathematical vector, so the system can later search by meaning, not just keywords. Then connect an in-memory vector store node. If you want something more permanent for production, you could use a persistent vector database instead. But for testing and fast setup, in-memory works well. Make sure both the document loader path and the embeddings output are connected properly so the chunks can be indexed. Once your document memory setup is ready, create a second workflow branch for Slack. Add a Slack trigger node on a new entry path and configure it to listen for the app you mention event. After that, connect a code node. Its job is to clean the incoming Slack message by removing the bot mention, trimming the text, and passing forward the user's actual query along with the channel and thread information. That cleanup step is small, but it makes the downstream AI response much cleaner and more reliable.